Hello everybody, my name is Here and today I'm going to show you how you can create this most simplest and flexible schedule for your bookings so your client will be able to directly book you for time slots for your time and different sessions directly with your Workee personal website. Alright, so right now I'm already on our Workee application and let's go to the booking section. Okay, so here on the booking section, as you can see, we have three sections. We have my availability, time slots, and video calls. Let's start from availability. So availability tab is the place where you can set up schedule for your availability through the whole weeks for both personal commitments or like work engagements, etc., etc. First, to before setting your time slot, make sure that your time zone is the same and equals to your location. Uh, with Work, we auto detect time zone for you and for your clients, so we make sure that everyone books time in the correct way and on the correct time zone. But just to make it simple, just to make sure your time zone is correct here. Right now, I'm in Warsaw, having business trip here, so as you can see, my time zone is Warsaw. Let's starting from creating availability. You can create availability for the both work days and for weekdays as well. Let's do a new schedule here and let's create my availability for my users, for our clients and partners. Uh, for example, for my first schedule, I am available on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so my whole week. And I'm available from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And at the same time, I can create one more work frame for this schedule. I can do here on plus, and I can do like from 2 p.m. to kind of 9 p.m. Yep, I'm late guy. And in this case, I'll have 1 hour break for the lunch. So people won't be able to book me since from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. right now. Okay, so I have already scheduled for my work days. Let's do some schedule for my weekdays as well. For example, for Saturday. For doing another schedule, I can just click here on Add New Schedule, and here I can see. So for new schedule, I have only Saturday and Sunday available because I already choose different days in my previous schedule. So I can do Saturday, and I can do, for example, on Saturday availability from 11 a.m. to kind of 3 let's do 2:30 p.m. So in this case, my clients and website visitors will be able to book me on Saturday from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Uh, okay, so we already done our schedule availability. Let's see what we have is date overrides. So with date overrides, we make it simple to you to manage your vacations, holidays, and different day offs, maybe sick leaves if you have some. How it works with date overrides, you can just simply change your availability for a specific day. For example, as you can see, I already have availability for my business week and for my weekend. But for example, if I have different availability for some day in the week, I can just simply change it here. Let's do date override. And we have October, and let's do, for example, I have some personal appointments on 11th October. Let's do 11th, and let's do that in this specific day I will be available only from kind of 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, let's do save. All right. So in this case, with date override, we will be my clients will be able to book me only on October 11, only from 2 p.m. To 6 p.m. However, for all other days, I will have this schedule. All right, so we already set up our availability. As you can see, it's simple, flexible, and it's really easy to set up. Now let's see what we have with our time slots. Let's do time slots here. I already have one time slot created before, so but as you can see, it is not active. It's like with gray color. Let's create some new time slots. Let's click here on add new time slot, and let's do like Workee on boarding call. I'm running our onboarding calls with Workee for our users who request that. And let's see time slot description here. I will show you Workee demo and make sure you are comfortable with all questions you may have. All right. You may have. Okay. So, and let's do time slot duration and price. Here, I can set up the duration of my time slot, for what time my website visitors will be able to book me. For onboarding call, we mostly have them during 30 minutes. And so I'll just keep it as it is, but I can also change it to 20 minutes and any other custom duration I want to have here. So let's do 30 minutes. And after that, I can also set up a price for this specific time slot. Okay, so important moment here, with Workee, you can not only get booked for free sessions, but you can also connect a payment. So you'll be able to set up a price for a session with you, for a time with you. So people will be able not only book you, but also pay directly to you with Workee in a click, and we are not charging any fees from that. Okay, so let's give it as a free here, and let's tap on save. All right, so we, as you can see, we already have this time slot added and it's active, and let's do one more time slot. With Workee, you can create multiple time slots, and you can also have them like both free and paid. So let's do here Workee general and fundraising, business partners, hiring, etc. Okay, so I'm also using Workee for my business reasons, for my business meetings. So I'll keep this time slot for everyone who wants to have some business conversations with me. And let's do all 30 minutes, and or we can even do just for our demo, like let's do 40 minutes and click save. All right, so as you can see, we already have 3 time slots. I can also go to this time slot, the one I created before, and I can just also make it live right now. Okay, so it's already live, and it will be available on our website. So as you can see, with Workee, we just created 2 new time slots, and we have already 3 time slots up and running. And as you can see, you can make any time slots you want. You can make any time slot duration, and you can also make your time slots both free and paid. This is a great way for example, for any tutors, coaches, or any other professionals in this area of consultations, because you can, with Workee, you can manage different lines of your services. You can do like English lessons, you can do some coaching, you can do some exam preparation, you can do some styling sessions, etc., etc. And for each specific type of your business, you can just have specific time slot, separate time slot, and charge differently for it, and just have different description with these time slots. All right. So as you can see, we already added our schedule, and we already added our time slots. Now let's go to video calls, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is how your clients and website visitors who will book you for a time slot for a session will actually have this time slot with you. As you can see here, we have option of 3 video calls providers. By default, once you sign up, you will have Workee video calls as a default option. So we integrate third party on our native user experience level. So you are able to use Workee video calls from any device without any limitations. So it's also free, and it is included in our software. But in case if you prefer using Google Meet, as I do, you can just simply connect your Google account to Workee and just connect Google Meet. At the same time, we also added integration for Zoom. So if you prefer to have Zoom and you already have Zoom account, you can just simply click here, just connect Zoom, and after that you'll be redirected to Zoom, do authorization, and after that Zoom will become your default video provider for all sessions, appointments, and calls with Workee. Okay, so we already set up our availability. As you remember, we have it here for work days and for weekdays as well. We also have date override. We also added different time slots, and we already choose our video call provider. Let's see how it looks like in real life. Let's go to the preview. I already have my personal website with Workee set up. So I already have it up and running. This is how my personal website with Workee looks like. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful, right? And you can just go and tap book me. And here are all time slots that we added. Our 15 minutes time slot call that we already had before, Workee onboarding call, and Workee general. Now let's try to do some booking. Let's do, for example, 15-minute call right here. And as you remember, we had different booking for October 11th. Let's do October 11th. And as you can see, it is different. It is just from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so now let's see how our schedule looks like for different days that we do not have data override set up. Let's do 12th. And as you can see, we have a different schedule for October 12th. We have from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. as we already set up with you. And for Saturday as well, we have different story. As you can see, we have from 11 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. From 11 a.m. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so some days are not available because I already have some days booked with my Workee calendar. By the way, I connected my Google Calendar to Workee as well, so I can have my availability up to date. And as you can see, we automatically calculate what time slot you are available to have booked, to be booked by your clients, and what time slot you are not available. So this is how our availability looks like. Let's do some booking. For example, let's do this 15 minutes time slot for 8 p.m. for 8th October. Let's do 11 a.m. here, right? And let's do some Igor test. And I have Igor, I have this my test email, and I can just tap on have some comment here for a test booking. And let's do confirm. Okay, system is checking our booking. Yeah, and as you can see, we already made our test booking with Workee, and it's already added to your calendar, and it's already added to your Workee calendar, and we also send invitation with Google Meet video call link to your client as well, because we have video in video calls, we have Google Meet connected. Let's now try to find our time slots. Let's go to meetings, and let's go to October 8th. Sorry, I need to play with this one. Let's go to October 8th. 7th, yep, we have Igorish, as you can see here. We have for 11 a.m. session, we have Google Meet link here. You can copy it and share with your clients if you want to make it manually, but we already handle it automatically for you. And you can also simply reschedule your meeting from here or cancel a meeting for any other reason or time you want. So this is how our Workee scheduling system looks like, and this is how it really works. As you can see, it is super simple, it is super flexible. You can create any schedule for any date. We provide you with full customization here, and you can also create different time slots for different of your engagements, make them paid, free, up to your business. So just a reminder, Workee with starter plan is 100% free. So you are welcome to create your personal website with Workee, set up any schedule, and make it easy for your clients to book you and pay you for your time. So thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask me any questions you have. You already see how my Workee personal website looks like. So you are welcome to book me for an onboarding call. And hopefully to see you soon. Cheers.